Yo, YouTube. You know the vibes. We back. It's been a minute. It's been a hot minute. It's been about a month or so since I really upload like a video or pull POV or anything. But I'm gonna get back on it. But I've been consistent, but I haven't been consistent on YouTube as much. I've been consistent on other platforms like TikTok. I've been consistent alright. It's not too much, but I've been on Instagram. I've been consistent on Instagram too, a lot. Cause it's like I post where I'm gonna get the views at. Instagram I get the views at. TikTok, with TikTok I don't know what's up with them. TikTok's 50-50. But YouTube, I'm starting to see my YouTube Shorts actually doing pretty good. I'm actually gaining subscribers and stuff from it. But I've done a lot to this car in a month. Like I've done a shit ton a lot. I've put front tints on there. I mean, I put tints all around. I did a video on that, but that ain't doing much views. So that's kind of where I stopped posting. I'm like, these videos not getting much views. What am I sitting here making fucking 10-15 minute video long? But I don't know. I'm gonna get back on it. If anything, you can see me do a lot of YouTube shorts. Cause the shorts, it's like I get more views in shorts than videos. But the thing is, I'm trying to build my audience up, like get my name known out there through my shorts and my Instagram and my TikTok short videos, and then I'm gonna start doing like these long minute videos so I actually get views. Cause I get like 400-500 views, which is not bad at all. But it's like I'm not really getting that much subs. Only on YouTube Shorts, I'm getting like 3-2 subs per short. But enough of all about that. I got tints on there. I did a video on that. I got front mount intakes. I got fucking front carbon lip. I got DRLs. Y'all probably seen in the beginning. I got DRLs. I got what else did I get? I got some rims for the rear, but I'm not gonna put those on yet. But I got some new mats. Bro, I have to include the mats because these mats are goddamn expensive, bro. Yeah, I got new mats. Look at that. These mats are tough, bro. Wallahi. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the interior and stuff. Like I haven't got nothing else except mat. Oh, I got these. I got this little logo thing that says M4. Cause you know these cars don't come in there. You gotta put it in there. Well, the newer ones, like 2023, are up. What else did I get? I got something else, but I can't say I can't say that one. I can't even say that one, but for me, I got front mounts. I got mod. What is it called? MAD, whatever you want to call it. Carbon lip. It's on tight. Yeah, carbon lips on good. DRLs. I'm about to pop the hood and show y'all. Right. Look at the DRLs. I got two sets of DRLs. I got the blue one and I got the amber one. One side was blue. Well, this side was like blue and this side was like amber, but I just didn't like it. Like I feel like it didn't go well together. But I like this way more. I never seen nobody ever do this. I never seen like nobody do this color wave or like do their headlights like one color this side, one color this side, and one color this side. I never seen that. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the intakes how I did it. I did it from over there, the MAD. Did it right here. I put a zip tie just to hold it, just so that belt don't rub on it and blow up the whole engine. But I was supposed to get blue filters, but they somehow sent me red, and I was like, alright, the red's gonna match the interior, so I was like, alright, I'll do it. But it was supposed to be blue because you know it would have looked better blue, but I'm gonna have to change this out in like 5,000, 8,000 miles, so I'll just put blue again. I just put blue on it. Fuck it, it don't matter, right? But yeah, everything pretty much else is stock for the most part. Fuck. Yeah, I gotta get some gas and talk to y'all. I mean, I'm trying not to talk more. I know I did enough yapping. I really don't want to talk no more. Hear that? like. Why didn't I blow that shit? I'm a bozo. I could have ran his light. My dumbass had to just hit the brakes. Yo, I feel like whoever used this to shift is like, why are you using that? Shit is taking $5 a gallon, so you know how that's about to go. Trying to get some good angles. Yeah, it's just taking $5 per gallon. So you already know the vibe. Hear that? What the fuck is wrong with that bitch? That bitch almost, yo, Shorty almost rear-ended me, bro. It went over, bro, on that Volkswagen. I would've got out the car and drop kicked on her fucking teeth just now. She did not see me brake, bro. I had to little swerve out a little, bro. That bitch is, bro, like. What was the cop there? Oh, I'm gonna pick the camera back just now. There's a cop right behind me. Behind that car. He's popped out of nowhere. I'll pick the camera up though. Hi YouTube. I literally just got pulled over, bro, but I didn't do nothing. But he just pulled me over, and he pulled me over for some other shit, which is something dumb. But he was talking about my license plate, how asked me how I got it and all this dumb shit. But he pulled me for nothing, bro. Like he another call came in and he let me go. So I'm like, all right, thank you. He gave me, like, literally he took my license registration, but I go to his car, he got a call and just, I said, all right, you're good to go. I'm like, bro, wow, like, you're really that bored? Like, you really want to see who the fuck's driving the car? Like, get off my nuts, bro, please, bro. Like, that's like, yo, cops be annoying, bro. I mean, he was on some cool shit though, but it was like, come on, bro. Like, what, you pull me up because you're bored? And there was a car behind me, and then he literally turned the light on. I went to the right. The car went to the right. Came out. He just pulled me over. Like, fuck. But it's whatever though.